Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you don't know me, my name is Katie and I make stuff vegan. Okay, so boom. So I was on TikTok, as I normally am. I saw this lady who just gave birth and she was like, I made my husband bring me aguachiles. I said, what is aguachiles? And then I had to make it vegan because I was like, yeah, I love Mexican food real bad. And I was being nosy and it came out so good. If you want to see how I made vegan aguachiles, keep on watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe so you don't miss any of my videos. As always, the link to the detailed recipe will be in the description box below. Okay, let's get started. This recipe is like perfect for the summer, but like in my case where like it's not really cooling down no time soon here in LA, I just think it was like so perfect, so refreshing. It came out so good, it's so easy. This really is a little 1-2. Maybe 3-4, but definitely a 1-2. Okay, so I got this vegan shrimp. I've used these before on my channel. I normally get them from an Asian grocery store. Here in LA, I go to like this vegetarian market thing, but in the recipe I put that I think oyster mushrooms will work really well for this, and heart of palm. And you get heart of palm anywhere. I would recommend getting it from Trader Joe's because the other girls be wilding, talk about some $5 from heart of palm. Are you crazy? Go to Trader Joe's. But anyway, I cut them in half because I found with these vegan shrimp that like they can be a little rubbery. I mean, they're not shrimp. So I just cut them in half just to give me a chance. Okay, these lines weren't worth a damn. I was like, did I get dried limes? Like, I was very confused. Like, they weren't squeezing. I feel like if you had some really juicy joints, like you could probably use like 2 to 3. But I was like, luckily this ain't real shrimp. Like, dang, what would we do? Like, the shrimp would not be cooked. But in this case, like, we just want to tenderize it a little bit. You can put it in the fridge. You can leave it out for like 30, 45 minutes. Okay. Now we're gonna make a pickled onion. I love a pickled onion. I make it all the time. It needs to be in my fridge. I don't have any there right now, but like normally I love a little pickled onion razzle dazzle. Okay, so you're gonna use a red onion, but you can also use white onion. I feel like it doesn't really matter. And you're gonna put it in a little container, and then you're gonna top it with white vinegar and a little bit of water to balance out. Don't use all vinegar and wonder why your esophagus start, deteriorating. Okay, you're gonna balance it out with a little bit of water. Okay, and I'm gonna put some dried oregano in because that's how I roll, some salt and some pepper, and that's it. You can really do whatever you really want. You could play around with the seasonings, but you're just pickling it. And like the cool thing about this, if you wait long enough, like they'll turn pink, and that's when they really like in their bag. That's when they're really like doing what they're supposed to be doing. But I was not gonna wait till tomorrow, so they look like this and they're fine. Okay, I took one of these nasty cucumbers. I realized I don't ever use these cucumbers, and I had English cucumbers in the fridge. Are they Persian? I don't know, somewhere over there. Anyway, like those are way better. The amount of stuff I went through with this, I forgot it had guts. Cause I just don't buy regular cucumbers because it's just not worth the hassle. It got so much water in it, like too much. And I know I could use a spoon. I just didn't feel like going back. It's fine, we move, okay? But you're gonna de-gut it. I didn't even do a good job, but you're gonna de-gut. Take the insides out, peel that rubbery skin and chop it up. And yeah, you're gonna put a little cucumber on top. Now, if you saw my thumbnail or you're like, wait, where's the avocado? Simply, girl, I did not like the way the avocados looked in the store. They look like avocados from 2019. I didn't know what was going on. I did not want to engage, so I left it out. You can put avocados in yours, girl. Let me know how that goes. Okay, so you're gonna make the little like liquid that goes over it. Truth be told, this could have been like way thinner if I added more water, but it's basically just a bunch of cilantro, like not a bunch as in a lot, like as a bunch as in, yeah. Serrano peppers, jalapenos. I put sazon because that's how I stay. Water, lime, vinegar, and then you blend it all up, and then you top it in a bowl. You put your little vegan shrimp, you put your liquid, little green, what's it called, onions. That's crazy. Onions, cucumbers, cilantro. It came out so good. It's so refreshing. I'm about to go eat some now with some tostadas and enjoy myself and enjoy my night. But if you're Mexican, let me know how I did, but not too much, okay? Not too much. Let me know what you think about this recipe. If you made this far in the video, let me know what I should make next. I love hearing y'all suggestions. I got a couple written down, so let me know what I should make next. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. You don't miss any of my videos. While you're here, check out my other videos because you know that I have enough videos, like literally almost 400 videos. Isn't that insane? I just be yap. But anyway, thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Oh yeah, the detailed recipe, description box below. Any questions, leave them in the comments. Say hi. Yeah. Thank you for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, y'all.